If we manage to our natural resources, we would leave a better planet for our children. A. Uphold. B. Restrain. C. Cherish. D. Conserve. The correct answer is conserve. 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. A. 4. B. 11. C. None of these. D. Not possible. The correct answer is none of these. A discrete time linear shift invariant system has an impulse response Hn with H01, H11, H22 and 0 otherwise. The system is given an input sequence Xn with X0, X21 and 0 otherwise. The number of non-zero samples in the output sequence Yn and the value of Y2 are respectively A52, B62, C61, D53. The correct answer is 53. For a series resonant circuit at low frequency circuit impedance is and at high frequency circuit impedance is fill in the blanks respectively. A. Capacitive inductive. B. Inductive capacitive. C. Resistive inductive. D. Capacitive resistive. The correct answer is capacitive inductive. The network is A. First order system and the pole. B. Second order system of the two poles are. C. Second order system of the poles is. D. None of the above. The correct answer is second order system of the two poles are. A signal with 10 V ranged and 1 kHz bandwidth is being digitized using a sample and hold circuit and a 10-bit quantizer. The minimum sampling rate is A. 62,831.9 vsec. B. 1,25,663.8 vsec. C. 31,415.95 vsec. D. None. The correct answer is 62,831.9 vsec. The circuit below represents function X ABCD as A. 5th August 2013 14. B. 0 1 2 3 4 6 7th August 2010 11 12. C. 5th September 2013 14. D. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th August 2010 11th December 2015. The correct answer is 5th September 2013 14. If the characteristic equation of a closed-loop system is S22S2 then the system is A. Overdamped. B. Critically damped. C. Underdamped. D. Undamped. The correct answer is underdamped. Given digits 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4, how many distinct 4-digit numbers greater than 3000 can be formed? A. 50. B. 51. C. 52. D. 54. The correct answer is 51. Consider circuit with 416 Demux below now. A. Only 1 and 3 are correct. B. Only 1 is correct. C. Only 2 is correct. D. 2 and 3 are correct. The correct answer is 2 and 3 are correct. The following circuit can be represented as AC. B. F ABC 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. C. ABC. DC. The correct answer is C. Find Y in the circuit below. F1 EF0 1 2 3 F2 AB EF0 1 2 3 5 6 9 F3 AB EF4 7th August 2010 11th December 2013 14 15. AF2. BF2. C0. D0 1 2 3 5 6 9. The correct answer is 0. Calculate the stability factor and change in IC from 25C to 100C for 50 RBRE 250 ICO 19.9 NA for emitter bias configuration. A 42.5530.85 f, B 40.910.58 f, C 38.530.85 f, D 41.100.39 f. The correct answer is 42.5530.85 f. In a radar system, the range of R1 is achieved at a frequency f1. Then the range R2 at frequency R2 at f1 would be neglect effect of 1 on the beam width. A R2 R1, B R2 for R1, C R2 2 R1, D R2. The correct answer is R2 2 R1. The logic function fabc M02456 can be represented by A1 only, B1 2 only, C1 3 only, D1 2 and 3. The correct answer is 1 2 only. In amplitude modulation, carrier signals A cos t has its amplitude modulated in proportion with message bearing low frequency signal metric ton. The magnitude of metric ton is chosen to be A less than 1, B less than or equal to 1, C more than 1, D none of these. The correct answer is less than or equal to 1. For real values of x, the minimum value of the function f(x) exp-x is A2, B1, C 0.5, D0. The correct answer is 2. The logic realized by the circuit shown in figure below is A FAC, B FAC, C FBC, D FBC. The correct answer is FAC. An image uses 512 x 512 picture elements. Each of the picture elements can take any of the 8 distinguishable intensity levels. The maximum entropy in the above image will be A 2097152 bits, B 648 bits, C 7,86,432 bits, D 144 bits. The correct answer is 7,86,432 bits. A tachometer has a sensitivity of 4V1000 rpm. Express the gain constant of the tachometer in the units volts rad sec. A 0.0489, B 0.0381, C 2. D none of these. The correct answer is 0.0381. Consider the signal xn1 sin n3 cos n cos. Then Fourier series coefficients are A1 jjjj, B1 jjjj, C1 3j3 jjj, D1 3j3 jjj. The correct answer is 1 jjjj. A certain system has transfer function A is a parameter. Consider the standard negative unity feedback configuration as shown below. Which of the following statements is true? A. The closed loop system is never stable for any value of A. B. For some positive values of A, the closed loop system is stable but not for all positive values. C. For all positive values of A, the closed loop system is stable. D. The closed loop system is stable for all values of A, both positive and negative. The correct answer is for all positive values of A, the closed loop system is stable. If a signal feed has energy E, the energy of the signal F2t is equal to AE, BE2, CE4, D2E. The correct answer is E2. For a NPN BJT transistor, F is 1.64 x 10.8 Hz, C1014 floor, CP4 x 1013 floor, and DC current gain is 90. Find FT and GMF cutoff frequency, C capacitance, CP parasitic capacitance, GM transconductance, FT gain, BW product. AFT 1.47 x 1010 HZGM 38 mm. BFT 1.64 x 108 HZGM 30 mm. CFT 1.47 x 109 HZGM 38 mm. DFT 1.33 x 1012 HZGM 0.37 mm. The correct answer is FT 1.47 x 1010 HZGM 38 mm. The impulse response HT of a linear time-invariant continuous time system is described by HT exp-ut exp-ut, where ut denotes the unit step function and A and R constants. This system is stable if A is positive and is positive, B is negative and is negative, C is positive and is negative, D is negative and is positive. The correct answer is A is negative and is positive. L. A 10-8 rad sec. B 10-4 rad sec. C 10-2 rad sec. D 10 rad sec. The correct answer is 10 rad sec. An 8-level encoding scheme is used in a PCM system of 10 kHz channel BW. The channel capacity is A 80 kbps, B 60 kbps, C 30 kbps, D 18 kbps. The correct answer is 60 kbps. For the power amplifier circuit shown below, the maximum power dissipated by both output transistor is A 9.66 watts, B 30.11 watts, C 31.66 watts, D 33.66 watts. The correct answer is 31.66 watts. For static electric and magnetic fields in an homogeneous source-free medium, which of the following represents the correct form of Maxwell's equations? A.E0 x B0, B.E0 B0, C x E0 x B0, D x E0 B0. The correct answer is x E0 B0. A periodic rectangular signal xt has the waveform shown in the given figure. Frequency of the fifth harmonic of its spectrum is A 200 Hz, B 250 Hz, C 400 Hz, D 1250 Hz. The correct answer is 1250 Hz. An antisymmetric filter having odd number of coefficient may have a performance as A low pass, B high pass, C band pass, D all pass. The correct answer is all pass. A material has conductivity of 10.5 mho and permeability of 4 x 10.7 hm. The skin depth at 9 GHz is A 1.678 m, B 26 m, C 17 m, D 32.32 m. The correct answer is 17 m. Find R at across the terminals A and B. A 52.28, B 58.28, C 52.82, D 58.82. The correct answer is 58.82. For a second-order system with the closed-loop transfer function, the settling time for 2% band in seconds is A 1.5, B 2.0, C 3.0, D 4.0. The correct answer is 2.0. An open-loop transfer function is given by has A 1 0 at, B 2 zeros at, C 3 zeros at, D 4 zeros at. The correct answer is 3 zeros at. The current IT through a 10 resistor in series with an inductance is given by IT 3 4 sin 100 T 45 4 sin 300 T 60 amperes. The RMS value of the current and the power dissipated in the circuit are A41, A410 watts respectively. B35, A350 watts respectively. C5, A250 watts respectively. D11, A1210 watts respectively. The correct answer is 5, A250 watts respectively. The cut-off voltage for JFET is 5V. The pinch-off voltage is A5.0 L2V, B2.5V, CV, D5V. The correct answer is 5V.